Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hans Purity. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to link your YouTube channel to your TikTok account and make it clickable. So if you want to link your TikTok account to your YouTube channel, sit tight because this video is for you. All you need to do now is to go to your profile. You click on the profile icon on the bottom of the screen. On your profile, just like this, you click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, all you need to do is to look for social. On your social, you will see add Instagram and add YouTube. Click on add YouTube. So it will say TikTok wants to use google.com to sign in. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will take you to your Google search. So all you need to do here now on your Google is to choose an account, a Gmail account. Once you choose a Gmail account, you scroll down and click on continue. Once you click on continue, to take you back to your TikTok account. As you can see, my YouTube is now linked with TikTok is now linked to my YouTube. If I go back to my profile, you can see now it is now clickable on my profile. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Once you click on this icon, this YouTube icon, it will take you to your YouTube channel. We have come to the very end of this video. If you want to know how to link your Instagram to your TikTok, you can still go to my playlist on my YouTube channel and learn how to link your Instagram to your YouTube channel. Guys, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like.